You just have to speak up loud enough. All right, look 5, speaking test 2. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Quỳnh Chi. I am 14 years old. My hobby is drawing and reading books. My favorite color is black.
Okay. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like drawing and reading books in my free time.
Okay. What things do you like to draw?
Movies.
Okay. And can you tell me about your family or your family members?
I have 2 younger brothers. One is 10 years old and one is 5 years old.
Okay. Thank you. Let's take a look at this picture here. Can you tell me what you see in this picture?
I see animal and picture about a food chain.
A food chain, good. A food chain or a food web, good. Can you tell me what's on the very top of the food chain?
Maybe
The very top. What is the top predator in the food chain?
it's eating.
The eagle, good. And can you tell me what this is right here?
These are turtles.
Okay. Can you tell me what things eat plants?
Turtle, moth, heater, butterfly, eat ants.
Okay. And looking at this food web right here, if I were to take the mice out, what would happen to the food web?
My is heater and butterfly.
Okay. And if I were to take the mice away, what happens to the food web? If I take them away, if I take all the mice away, what do you think would happen to this food web? Would it slow down? Would it be healthy? Would it be unhealthy? Would it?
Healthy.
Okay. All right. Have you ever seen an eagle before?
No, I have.
Have you ever seen a snake before?
Yes, I have.
And where have you seen a snake?
I have seen a snake in my grandparents' garden.
Okay. What about a butterfly? Have you ever seen a butterfly before?
Yes, I have.
And where have you seen a butterfly?
I have seen a butterfly in my school.
Okay. And since we're on the topic of animals, if you had to pick not on here, doesn't have to be on here, but if you had to pick your favorite animal, what would that be?
My favorite animal is butterfly.
A butterfly. And why do you like butterflies?
I like butterfly because they are beautiful and interesting.
Okay, good. Let's take a look at this slide here. What do you see in this slide?
People collect rubies.
Okay. And what do you think they're collecting?
They're collecting rubies in the land.
Okay. And it looks like I can tell you they're volunteering and they're collecting. Do you think this is a good thing that they're doing?
Yes, they do good thing.
Okay. And why do you think it's a good thing?
Because they help the immune.
Okay. So it looks like they're recycling things. You personally, are there any places that you recycle? Does your school recycle? Do you recycle at home?
I recycle in my school.
In your school, and what sort of things do you recycle?
I recycle paper cutting in my school.
Okay, good. two pictures here. Let's start with this one. Can you tell me what these are and what you see?
I see solar system.
Okay. And
Actually,
okay. And in the solar system here, do you know how many planets we have?
we have 8 pens.
8 planets. Okay. Do you know some of the names of the planets?
Yep. They name it Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
And Neptune. Good. All right. And can you tell me why these things are up in the air? So what is this person called?
Uh,
It starts with an A.
Actually,
Astronaut. Good. Why do you think these things are up in the air?
they open and that hours of attack.
Okay. And in space, so out in the future, do you think that we could ever live in space out in the future?
Yes,
Okay. And if we were to live in space out in the future, how would we get our food?
we get a food from and of the pens.
Okay. And I'm going to show you the last slide we have here. Can you tell me about this slide?
It's water bubble soap.
Okay. And do you know where this actually is? Where is this show? Where do they show this? Do you know what country?
In Vietnam.
Vietnam. Okay. Who do you think is behind the curtains here?
It's some person.
Okay. And what do you think they're doing?
They do water bubble soap.
Okay. Have you ever gone to this water puppet show?
Yes, I have.
Oh, you have? Okay. And can you tell me about it? Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it's interesting.
And did you go with your family or school?
I haven't seen water bubble soap when my school have trip.
Trip. Okay. All right. Terrific. Thank you very much.